Hi, baby.
We get married tomorrow.
We do get married tomorrow.
Pretty excited.
Yeah.
If you can. Hi.
Oh my
Tears are good.
Oh my god.
The prettiest girl in the world. Pretty girl alert. Put your hands up! Dean Chancellor of Bad Bitch University right here.
It's so pretty. And is riding around in the Mustang with Cooper as shotgun.
Love it.
He's so much
He's a good boy.
I love you.
We're buzzing.
It's your day. It's your day. It's your day.
How are we feeling? Pre-game interview.
I feel great.
Yeah?
Honestly. Yeah, I feel great. I was stressed out earlier, then we did the vows, and now I feel phenomenal.
Nice. What are you most looking forward to today?
I think the officiant speech and then the speeches.
Nice.
No pressure for
No.
people speaking.
None taken. Oh my god. Hey. Big old smooch to the happy couple.
Happy couple. What about that? What's that?
What was your impression of the first look?
Amazing. Great.
Awesome.
I was gagged personally.
Marvelous. That was
Marvelous?
Yes. They both look too good, it's unfair.
It's true. Aww. The prettiest girls in the world. Here comes the bride. What are you most excited for today?
I'm excited for the food.
Yeah.
I don't remember what I ordered. I don't
Keep
remember,
it authentic.
I don't remember what I don't.
You ordered steak, you thought.
I think
just-
you're gonna dig the chicken cutlet,
I
Harry.
think I got Milanese.
I think you're gonna rock with that.
Yeah. I think Sid. I
Pre-game
ordered-
interview. How
He
you
looks
feeling?
like a boss, doesn't he? Look at
He
this
looks like
guy.
a politician. Pre-game interview. How are you feeling?
A little cotton mouth.
Oh, feeling? You
I'm
look
scared
beautiful.
to be the ring bearer. What if
No.
I twist my ankle when I'm walking?
Just take it slow.
Yeah.
We're not in a rush.
Bear number 2.
Pre-game interview. How are you feeling? What are you excited for?
I'm excited to be the ring bearer.
Nice. What are you guys most excited for?
Oh yeah.
I don't know the whole thing.
Yeah?
Yeah. The whole thing's exciting. Everyone's coming out a winner in this deal.
Yeah?
It'll probably be weepy as the officiant.
Yeah. I think she's gonna crush it.
Oh no, she's.
I know
You
she's
ever
gonna
seen her
crush it.
speak publicly?
No, but I have a feeling I know what I'm in
kills
for.
it.
I believe
She
it.
might be emotional.
How are you feeling?
Feel good. You know, I know that we're here for Ben and Emma, so we've got only good things going on.
Great.
There's no
Only
negativity.
good vibes.
Yep, only good vibes. We've got Bacaro, got City Hall,
Yep.
home in Providence. What more could we ask for?
What more could we ask for? Nothing better.
Exactly.
Right?
And I told Ben, I said, don't make me follow Claire's speech. I can't follow Claire.
No.
She has to go after me. That's my only demand.
No.
So that
Is yours emotional?
if it hits the right notes, it is.
Yeah.
If I miss my mark, then
I don't think you're gonna miss. Something tells me you're gonna crush it.
Last time I'm only gonna have one sibling. Welcome another one.
bestie.
Bye, besties. Woo! Hi. Cheers to the happy couple. Hey. We love you, Emma and Ben. We love you, Emma. Sarah, wave, girls.
Great. Wonderful.
Boys are buzzing. I'm great.
Boys are buzzing.
I'm hanging in there.
Hey, hold on.
Wait, I need to find Miriam. Oh my god, it's
The magic behind
How's the maid of honor?
I'm doing great.
Maid of honor's
A little
great.
stressed initially, but he's doing good. I'm doing good.
What do you guys say? A message to Emma and Ben.
All right, I'm not gonna cry again, but
Well, we already cried. Okay. We love you so much. We wish you a lifetime of love and happiness and a lot of Taylor Swift album releases to go. It's a love story. You said yes.
It's a love story.
guys, I love you. You guys are the ones, and I look at my relationship like you guys because you love each other so much, and I am jealous.
Hi to Ben and Emma. Say hi to Ben and Emma.
Love you guys.
Congrats, guys.
Kayla, Ty, say hi to Ben and Emma.
Hello, Ben.
Any words of advice?
Advice.
Take care of Cooper, but mostly take care of yourself.
And you're gonna be a great mom. You're gonna be a great mom because you're gonna get pregnant tonight.
And I'm going to be a great aunt, as we all are. I'm going to be an auntie. I'm already a great auntie right now, but I can't wait for your baby.
You
I
know
think
what?
they're trying to have kids.
Travel first, make it your thing, and then have kids.
I think Tyler agrees. Travel the world.
Can you give Cooper a belly rub for me right now? Thank you.
Also, tell Steve to get me a Mia. That's all I want to say.
Hey, get Cooper a
You got anything to say to Emma and Ben?
We love you guys! That's it.
And Claire right here.
It's Claire and Mark. We love you.
We do love you.
We love you so much.
We love you.
We are very happy for you.
I hope you guys have babies soon. I'm excited for that.
Me too.
You can be an auntie? You gonna be an auntie?
I'm gonna be the best auntie.
Are you having fun?
Amazing time.
Yes. Miriam, are you having fun?
So much fun. Emma, you look beautiful. Ben, you look amazing. I love you both. Are good.
I love you, and this is such your night. You look so beautiful. And the food was good? The food was amazing. Best wedding you've ever been to? Best wedding. Amazing booking. So good. Are you having the best day of your life?
I am having the best day of my life.
Feeling there?
Dude, we're ready to roll.
Yeah?
Ready to fucking party.
We're locked and loaded, baby. Content. Content
Party time.
galore.
Party time. It's party time. Party time. It's party time. It's party time. It's party time. You don't shoot me, Glenn. Yeah. Fuck you. Fuck you.